Casey, don't ever date a man.
All right, so hold on, see if I'm in the frame.
Go up a little bit. There you go. Hey, but you're lit. There's a city behind you. Move like right here.
We are back in Charlotte, and me and Casey.
Where Grant hates.
Your girl. Yeah.
Hates.
So yeah, we're going to like a light.
Yeah, it's like a light
thingy.
trail. So you walk along where the we call it the light rail, but it's just an above ground kind of train to take you through the city. And there's a bunch of lights.
Yeah. So we're gonna go take pictures and see what happens.
Yeah.
Going on right here. This is definitely like the worst one.
Oh my gosh. Go say.
Oh. You said it goes in?
Yeah.
Should I not sit on it? What does the thingy say? Yeah, I don't know if we're not supposed to.
I don't know. It said interactive. And I interacted with it. And it didn't love what I did. Is this the vibe?
What about like if you put your face next to this, or me, one or the other, and then we do like we make this like Mars.
Yeah, but there's also the moon above you, which is so cool.
The tiny moon.
I would love to see you do something with it, Grant.
We could definitely do something. Oop, I just broke. What if you like, oh, my knee.
What did you do?
My knee's just messed up. All right, what if we did something like this? And then I Photoshop out everything else, and all you can see is the planets and like me or you holding them up.
I'm here for your vision, whatever it may be.
I could go full shirtless.
Okay. I mean, I think drop a like if you want to see the shirt. Just like throwing that out there. You were more concerned about you.
Oh wow, it did.
You're breaking it.
Waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd.
Grant, if you want to do the shirtless thing, go. Go, 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 go.
All right, here we go.
Wow, this is a moment for us all.
You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't.
Dripped in Charlotte.
Doing big
Where you were. Swear you were. Oh my gosh, my legs. Well, are you so happy you ate cookout right before this? Mm-hmm. Yeah. The dad bod is where it's at. Judge, critique. Let's see. Was it good? Did I get a shot? I still think the first ones were the best,
trash,
but
trash.
100%. 100%.
Trash.
100%.
I do look like a Greek god.
You do. I will give you that 100%.
I'll say that much. I don't know if the goatee ruins it. I feel like Greek gods had goatees.
I wish people could see my face at the moment. Dear God.
I'm trying to hop in the dumpster. I told her I
don't even deserve the trash. That's where I'm at in my life. I can't even get in. No, that's gross.
We're in vlog mode, baby. With the tripod.
Good.
About to get rid of everybody this car.
Ah.
move along.
Just leave me.
Yeah, I think we got a bunch of cool pictures with the light ball.
I got
Casey-
a bunch of cool pictures of Grant
I made
with
Casey
the light bulb, and he wouldn't
click
let
the
me do
trigger.
it.
It was all me, but I brought Casey along.
I was gonna say find her on my way home, and then I drove with you. So I can't.
I will find my own way home.
I'm gonna hitchhike.
We are now on to the next thingy, which is where?
Should be 2 more that we're gonna do. There's like a bunch, but I have to work in the morning, and it's 9:30 because he wanted to get the best muscle shot, so took a lot of
I had to
work.
flex on him. So we're gonna do what? 1 or 2 more? Are we
Yeah.
driving there?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We're driving.
I'm waiting for the one forever. Finally, I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark.
Casey, don't ever date a man who has you walk on the outside of the. I just told you.
I'm just doing more and more.
I was like,
literally-
Grant, is this a turning point for us?
Neither of those things did I actually try to do,
Oh,
but
you could have just owned it.
your dad, or I feel like you've told me that before about the man walking like closer to the road, and now I like consciously try to do that.
Except you weren't just saying. So maybe
Well,
it's a
'cause
subconscious thing now.
Well, I keep forgetting though, so maybe it is turning into a subconscious.
You're like, I need to be on this side. So this is sketchy, but supposedly it's over here somewhere.
Anyway, I just realized that the camera was in manual focus that whole last little segment there, so I'm sorry about that.
Rough.
But
Are you a YouTuber?
I'm an influencer.
Yeah.
Well, I sure am glad that it's lit up. Oh wait, the color's not gonna show up as well because it's lit up, but also the chairs don't move. So that's a problem. Recapping what we were supposed to have said on camera, we were the most excited about this one, but actually, oh, they changed colors. I didn't know they changed colors. We can work with this though.
You're optimistic, and I'm over here like, meh. How lit up?
Just
am
gotta
I?
get the creative juices flowing.
Not at all.
You're lit up from the top, but not the chair.
Maybe. What if we just did something where like find the darkest area, which might be over there, or actually this blue, and just like have it instead of being a sitting thing, and just have your face like lit by the.
I mean, that'd be kind of cool, but it's a chair. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit in that chair right there.
It goes off.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Maybe you sit on it, it'll turn back on. No. Oh, there it goes.
There it is.
See, it's green. Gave you the green light. And then what we're gonna do is focus through these and then just zoom all the way in
Right into the eyes.
to those eyes. That's the plan, Stan. Let's get to it.
Finally, I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark.
The chairs were not as bright as we were hoping. Yeah, so it was kind of a struggle to get some cool shots, but I think that I'm gonna die walking backwards on these stairs. I think that we got some cool shots, or Casey got some cool shots of me, and I got like some up close shots of Casey with her face
Just
next
missed
to
a
the.
chunk of my hair.
So we may be on to the next location, unless Casey's trying to go to bed.
That's like a 0.3 mile walk, which isn't far.
You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my
Wow, you gotta be really strong to hold this on the tripod.
Well, I mean the tripod's like carbon fiber,
the
but
camera
it's still
itself.
heavy. Yeah, the camera itself is pretty heavy.
You just said it's still heavy. This is a cool wall.
It is a cool wall. What a
Don't
cool
show
wall.
anyone. Just
Yeah, we're looking at a pretty cool wall right here that none of you get to see.
this is very unsafe. We're just like out with a really expensive camera late at night in
Yeah,
the
but-
city.
You saw that picture we took earlier.
I was your only dangerous
Wait, what? What were you? Where were you going with that? I was going with I'm a Greek god and I can protect us.
I was going with you're vulnerable.
Pretty much.
Oh, there, it's right there.
Ooh.
Remember when I said I was not gonna be like excited about it? I was right.
Yeah. It doesn't look too exciting. We're gonna make something cool though. I can
and
feel
also
it.
the Big Ben.
There it is. Why does it not even look like they're on?
Duds? Wow, it's just a shame because they're so cool.
What if we just get a cool shot of me doing all the cool things around it?
Yeah, that's it. Take advantage of them all, Grant. Do everything. Come on.
And the camera's not out of focus.
Did someone call
Dang it.
911? Because it's lit. Literally.
Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good.
Grant, should we make out? In the heart?
This is not going.
This
in
is
the
for
vlog.
this.
We are here at the final destination. Just absolute greatness right here.
That was beautiful. I love that.
The last one was not quite what we were hoping for.
There's a car.
Going this way? Or
Yeah,
this
yeah,
way?
yeah. We literally went from what we thought was gonna be the worst to what we thought was gonna be the best,
Yeah.
and it was the opposite of what we thought.
Yeah, the first location, pretty dope.
So I have a feeling that Grant's little Greek god moment will be the best.
I'm gonna put tattoos on myself.
What? Why?
I don't even know. It's gonna look awesome though.
Let's walk.
There's definitely gonna have to be like a please don't hate on me caption, because I will receive all the hatred for posting that picture if I actually post that picture at some point.
This is the issue, is when you like are always thinking about photos, everywhere you look, you're like, oh, that's a good spot. Oh, wait a minute, that's a good spot. Oh, wait a minute, that's a good spot.
My mind has shifted that way, like in the last year for sure.
And so my friends like, well, as if you're not my friend, but my other friends.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna leave. My hand is getting so tired. All right, you gotta walk on this side now because my right arm.
Wait, I'm on the.
My right arm is tired though, and I have to go from this angle.
Wow, my life is worth the tiredness of your arm.
It really is.
Have you seen that meme where it's like every three-year-old exists, and then it's like every uncle ever, I got your nose.
You told me about that last time.
I just think it's
And
that
you guys don't
funny.
care about that.
I just think it's Austin pizza. It makes me think of Austin.
All right, yeah, that's true. Every time, if I see Fuel Pizza, he's the first thing that comes
Literally.
on mind. So we're headed back to the car, and I'm gonna edit these. You've probably already seen them, because I'll probably put them in the video when we take the picture, maybe. We'll see.
I mean, like you always do.
If not, go check out the Instagram. But these are gonna be like edited heavily. Okay, go check it out and subscribe if you can see me right now, and like the video and comment and tell me that you subscribed and liked the video. Subscribe and comment. Like the video.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.